In a sunny little town, three best friends met under the big mango tree. Milo, Luna, and Tiger were ready for a new adventure. The morning meeting every morning, the three best friends met near the big mango tree. This morning, Tiger arrived with exciting news. Curious about the mystery sound, the three brave cats set off down the lane towards the old red house. Milo led the way, with a cautious Luna and an excited Tiger close behind. They arrived at the creaky old house. With their hearts pounding, they carefully peeked around the corner of the porch to see what was making the noise. The scary sound wasn't scary at all. It was just a playful little puppy with a squeaky toy. The cats were so relieved and happy to make a new friend. The three cats couldn't resist the adorable puppy. They spent the afternoon playing in the garden, with Luna gently rolling a ball for him and Tiger chasing him in circles. They decided to take their new friend back to their favorite spot. Milo led the way, and the little puppy happily trotted along with them, a new member of their group. The four friends rested under the big mango tree where their day had begun. The puppy, tired from all the playing, fell fast asleep, safe and sound with his new best friends. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and comment for more interesting stories.